Uh, Assalamu alaikum, everybody. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. MGS here, and today we're gonna talk about a really interesting fact about nature, specifically about helicopter, 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 No, 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 no. Helicopters definitely don't belong to nature. They they are man-made. Or are they? Today, I'm going to show you a text that explains that helicopters were first made by nature. Yes, it's true. If you don't believe me, that then let's jump right into the text right now. Okay, so without further ado, let's start. Nature's helicopters. Okay, okay, enough of the fun. Nature's helicopters. Did you know that helicopters grow on trees? It's true! Oh, you might be saying, oh, MGS, this is just a legend. How is it possible that helicopters grow on trees? It's true, I'm telling you. In the right season, you can find hundreds of mini aircraft hanging from the branches of maple trees. They look like this. Okay, wait. Okay, so these are the ones I'm talking to you about. These, so let's say helicopters. So here's one, and here's another. Uh, let let me just change the. Let me just raise this one and change its color. Let's make it red, for example, and then we'll circle it. Okay, so the sugar maple is the one that's highlighted red, and the vine maple is the one that's highlighted green. Okay, okay, ready? Okay, now let's continue reading the text. These little copters are the fruits of the maple tree. Yes, they are. Each one is made up of two parts called samaras. So if you were wondering, well, what the heck is a samara? Is it like a Colombian dance? Samara, Samara. No, it's kind of like the wings of the fruit. Like this, here's one wing. Here's another wing. And here's one wing. And here's another wing. Each one of these wings in the maple fruit, these are the samaras. Get it? Now let's erase this real quick. Okay, like all fruits, the samara's purpose is to hold the seed. Maple trees grow all over the United States and Canada. To find a maple near you, look for a tree with hand-shaped leaves, like the one on the Canadian flag. So if you don't know what a Canadian flag is, nor the shape of a maple leaf, then let me share you the picture right now. Okay, so right here is a Canadian flag, and this is the maple leaf in the Canadian flag. Let me circle it for you. So this is the maple leaf in the Canadian flag. Sorry, Canadian flag, let me clean you up real quick. There we have it. Now let's just now how do I get back to the story? Aha. Now I share you back the story time. Okay, actually, it's not story, it's an informational text. So, okay, so finding maples is easy in the fall. where the leaves turn brilliant colors. Remember, fall, the season, not fall of falling to the ground and crash. Okay, so when the leaves turn brilliant colors, red orange which is just like the orange color, but it's kind of reddish, red, yellow, and even dark purple. Once you locate a maple tree, keep an eye on it through the seasons. In the spring, you will see bunches of tiny flowers. These are the maple flowers, which are just the flowers that are in the background of my camera. You! Most are yellow, green, or red, like the ones I have here, but some kinds of maple have other colors as well. After the blossoms come the fruits, which and these are the maple fruits, the ones that I showed you earlier. Look at the pictures above. Do you see the two lumps at the center where the wings come together? If you don't, then I'm gonna circle it for you. So, oh wait, I did it wrong. Erase it, erase it, erase it. Okay. So let me just show you. So this part over here, and this part, and also this part, these are the parts that I'm talking about. These are the two lumps at the center where the wings come together, and these are the one and only actual seeds. Yes, in the late spring or early summer, the fruits will be ready to leave the tree. If there's a good, strong wind, the twisting wings will carry the copters far away from their mother tree. Bye bye, mommy. I'm going to leave my own wife. Okay, this is a good thing. Maple seeds sprout easily. Yeah, but the seedling trees need sunshine to do well. Yes, seeds that fall right under another tree will probably not grow very big. So maples have developed fruits that fly. You. A maple tree grows a lot of copters, thousands in a single season. Producing so many seeds helps make sure that at least some of them will take root and grow into brand new trees. Yeah, that's not the end of the informational text, because there's an activity that you can do at home. So let's check it out. Many seeds never sprout at all. Some get eaten by birds and small mammals. Others fall on pavement or wash away. Even if it's not the right time of year for real maple fruits, you can still get an idea of how they fly. You can make your own maple seed copter, as shown below. So that's the activity I'm talking about. So if you're a little kid and you're confused about how it goes, then this activity will really help you out. That is super fun. You must try it. You must try it. Okay, so first we need to start with a rectangular strip of paper about 4 inches or 10 centimeters long, like 10 centimeters long, like that. Now I need to fold the paper in half the long way, like it's shown here. Like you just, like you just need to fold it across it like that. And we can use a line as a guide and make a make a cut a little less than half the length of the paper. Here, bend one of the cut parts forward and the other forward here and the other one backward. And attach a regular size paper clip for the weight. That's all there is to it. Now toss it in the air and watch it spin to the ground. Better yet, take it outside when there's a wind blowing. Hold it up over your head. Let it go. See how far from you, the tree, your fruit lands. This is a really fun game. You must try it. Maybe right after this video. Okay, so now we're gonna make the questions. And remember, I'm obviously gonna make another video where I show you the answers of these questions. But for now, you need to solve. Question number 6. What is the main idea of the passage? A. Maple trees grow all over the United States. B. Maple seeds usually grow in pairs. C. Maple fruits fly like little helicopters. Or D. Maple trees produce thousands of seeds. Pause the video and find out the answer. If you want to, just rewind the video to get a little more clearer what the answer is. I'm getting a little sleepy right now because it's literally 5 a.m. where I am right now. Okay, now number 7. According to the passage, what is a samara? What is a samara? A. Part of a maple fruit. B. A strip of paper. C. One half of a pair of scissors. Or D. A kind of helicopter. Good. Now, let's go on to the next page. Wait, what the heck? My computer is hacked! I can literally not show you the next page. Sorry, not your questions. You're lucky. Yay! Dad, joking. There it is, the next page. Now let me shrink my camera a bit. Why are the first 2 pictures important for understanding the passage? So rewind the video, or if you're too lazy to do that, I'm going to show you the first 2 pictures. Oh, wait, where? Oh, there they are, the first 2 pictures. Okay, so why are they really important for understanding the passage? A, they tell us how maple trees are different from other trees. B, they show what maple tree flowers look like. C, they explain why different maples have different fruits. Or D, they show how maple tree fruits are shaped like wings. Pause the video and find out the answer right now. Below are 4 pieces of information found on the Canadian government's website. You should check it out after this video. Which one should have been included in this passage? So, A picture of the maple leaf on Canada's flag. B, a phone number for the Canadian Forest Service. C, a list of all trees that grow in Canada. Or D, an explanation of how Canadian maple syrup is made. I'll give you a clue. That Canadian flag that I showed you is not part of the text. It's just a thing that I added up to spice it up. So now that you have that clue, now try to find out the answer. I'm pretty sure this is the hardest one. But the next one has to be the easiest one. 10. The passage says, you can find hundreds of mini aircraft hanging from the branches of maple trees. In mini aircraft, the word part mini means A, small, B, fast, C, special, or D, pretty. Okay, I just prayed Fudger. And then I made this video. And then I'm so tired, I just want to sleep again. Good. Okay, see you next time. Assalamu alaikum.